Alright, so I got back from my trip from Lone Pine and I had bought this little table, foldable table for the trip, and it worked out great. So it's got legs in here and it's got a screw. So it's got legs in here so it could go a little bit longer, you know, it opens up like that. It's this little table. So it's real nice and compact, which I really liked, so that's good. But what I wanted to do was to find a place to store it, and I really had nowhere to store it in my current setup. So I want to be able to store it right here, and I want it to fit nice and snug. And also I wanted to make some storage for these Reflectex window covers and things like that. So I wanted to also make it right here. And in addition, my straps. I wanted a little, you know, box where I could throw my straps and stuff in. But anyways, so I'm gonna build a custom box that'll fit these things in and hold them in nicely. Okay, so what I did was I cut this wall, and I had to cut it at a slight grade this way. It goes down because of the grade of just the car. So that side is a little bit longer than this side, and you can see this side I cut to the contour of the molding here, so that way it'll look something like that. Now I'm gonna cut the base, and that's about how much room I want to make this storage. Okay, so the next wall I'm going to make like this, and then I'm going to make another wall go across here so that it'll be able to hold this in place. Alright, so I probably measured a little bit off, so I had to put a couple of spacers here, but it's going to get the job done. I'm going to put that in and then put in this side support. Alright, so that's the way it is. I'm going to paint it up, and then I'm going to mount it onto the floor with some elbow brackets. So I'm going to put these little brackets up to hold it all together. Not hold it all together, but to hold it in place. Straighten that out, and I'll mount it to the floor. All right, so over here on this end, I have this bolt that's sticking out. You know, that was part of the mounting to the rear third row seats that I took out. So that's going to hold it in real nicely on that side. And here are those little brackets that I put in, and I'm going to screw that right down onto the wood. Alright, so I got those things screwed in, so everything's really firm now. It can lift up a little bit on this side, but that's not going anywhere. It's pretty firm. I don't want to put another screw, just doesn't need it. And one thing, let me show you. This suitcase table thing, it's got some metal here, and it's got aluminum here and metal here, and that's gonna dig into the floor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little carpeting to kind of soften that up. I'm gonna use this piece of carpet and just cut it to size. All right, so not only this, you know, cushions where that, where this is going to go, it also covers up the mounting bracket. So let's slide that in. All right, that's the way it'll look in there. Fits really snug. And now let me get the sunshades in. That's the way it looks with the sunshades in. And let's get these straps in. We'll put it in back there. All right. So there you have it. My new storage container area thing. There's still plenty of room for my shower.